Hey guys, so in this video I'd like to walk through just a really short tutorial how to buy in the presale. So the first thing you do is you come to presale.xetacapital.com. Please make sure you research the project. Please understand what it is you are participating in. Please don't FOMO in. Please make sure you have a full and complete understanding of what XETA is and what we are trying to accomplish. We have a white paper that I recommend you read. We have our team page I recommend you go through, and of course my deep dive video that I put out I also recommend you watch in full, just so that you fully understand what it is that XETA is and that we do. So when you come to our website, you're going to go through the website, and when you're ready to participate, you click whitelist on the upper right corner. This is where the white paper is. The first thing you want to do is click Connect Wallet on the upper right. And when you do this, it's going to ask if you want to sign. You want to click Sign. On my ledger, I'm going to approve. And then you'll see your wallet address here. Now, the very first thing I recommend you do is click this contract link right here. Now, what you are purchasing, just to be very clear, you are purchasing a pre-sale token. What that means is you are not purchasing tokens that you can dump on launch day. What you are purchasing are zones. It takes 10 XETA tokens to build one zone. You're buying a pre-sale token, which means you can't sell this token. All you can do on launch day is build a zone. Okay? And the reason for that is to protect those who are participating so that on day one of the launch, we don't get everybody just dumping their tokens. They're forced to actually build the zones. Okay? So when you buy one zone, you are getting 10 XPRE tokens. It's just the name we came up with. This has no value other than to build the zones. I just want to be very clear about that. So you can't dump your tokens when we launch. You're just getting the ability to buy and build the zones themselves. Currently, it's $75 per token or $750 per zone at the moment. And the launch will be, of course, $100 or $1,000 per zone. Now, we did add the ability to send USDC.E as well. If you click this little USDC button, as long as you have 750 USDC.E, you will see this option here after you connect your wallet. And you can select that and send either one. Of course, if you want to buy more, you just move this slider. You have to buy one zone, so that's why we have a slider on here. You can't just buy one token because you have to have 10 to build a zone. So this goes by zones. Of course, you can buy as many as 250 per wallet. You know, obviously nobody can stop you from buying on multiple wallets, but 250 per wallet is the maximum limit. And anyone who participates in the pre-sale, by the way, and if they maxed out, actually, I guess really technically, if you bought anything in the pre-sale, your wallet will be able to hold 500, just because when we publicly launch, everybody's going to be able to buy as many as 250 in a wallet, but if you bought in the pre-sale, you will be able to get 500 max in your wallet. It's just a little side note there. This does end on July 20th, and of course, if we raise enough funds prior to then, we'll close it before, but likely July 20th, if not before then. So very first thing is to click this contract button, and this is going to add the XPRE token to your wallet. If I hit click Add Token, if I open up my MetaMask now, you'll notice if I scroll down, I now have 0 XPRE in my wallet. So let's go ahead and buy a zone. Let me show you how to do that. So it doesn't matter if I select USDC or USDC.E. I just wanted to show if you have 750 of either in your wallet, when you connect, you can choose which one to do. Let's go ahead and just do the regular USDC and click Submit. We're just going to buy one zone. You'll see 750 USDC. Go ahead and scroll down and click Confirm, and I will confirm this on my ledger now. You'll see USDC transfer completed. Now, here's what happens next. So let's go ahead and open up our MetaMask wallet here. That did go through. Now, you'll notice my USDC is gone, so it's sent to 750. Now what you are waiting on is 10 XPRE. You'll notice on the app right here, it says one zone equals 10 XPRE. So if you bought 2 zones, you get 20, 3, 30, and so on. Sometimes when you buy your zone, you don't get the XPRE tokens right away. It can take a little bit of time to get them. You'll notice I still have 0 here. It can take just a little bit of time, no more than an hour max. You will see those tokens show up in your wallet here. And there you go. See that the 10 XPRE just showed up. So it can take a few minutes. It can take up to an hour. For me, it took just a few minutes there. Okay, so on launch day, what will happen the first day of public launch is you will have an app, something like this, similar, to come and build your zones based on the number of XPRE tokens you have. So you are forced to build the zone, protects everybody participating because you will not be able to dump your tokens. You'll be kind of forced to just build your zone, and it kind of just makes a very smooth launch process for public launch, and it just allows everybody to participate on an even level. So I hope this helps. This should be a full and complete understanding of how to participate with the presale. Of course, please again, make sure you do your research. Please make sure you understand who XETA Capital is, what we're trying to do, and if you want to participate, this is how you do it. Until next time, thanks a lot.